So 5 points of entry are the data request process for creation of new reports or answering questions or new extracts and new data models and integrations and all those types of things. Data quality issue reporting is incredibly valuable to have people be able to say a perceived data quality problem and be able to track that down. Questions or requests for documentation for report consumers, people who are getting reports or getting information and don't understand it, you have a way to have that drive the governance process. Reference data changes, we're changing our codes and our values and lists and things. And then automated content synchronization. So, we talked about the technical point of bringing in your data catalog information. If you set that up such that, a new release of your ERP system comes out and they've deprecated a table or delivered a new thing, having that come in, or that could include data quality monitoring or reference data monitoring. And there's other things, but those are good points of process. So, for instance, in the data request process, you have the thing where someone's sort of searching for whether or not reports exist or information on how to build a report themselves, and they're looking at information about the data models and definitions and processes. And then, and if they don't find it, then they might submit a data request that ends up building a report spec and creating new definitions. Those create sort of design documents for someone to go build that, and there's technical metadata that might be coming in as part of that development process, and then a report goes out with user documentation. All of these sort of things, these assets that are created as part of a data request process, are really the content for data governance. So figuring out how to incorporate these points of entry to add to and update your governance content and incorporate your stewardship is super important for the ongoing momentum.